Hey guys, welcome back, and today we have an awesome install video for you. We have the all new 4Runner Lifestyle windshield wiper blades that are revolutionary. We worked really hard to make these perfect, to make them not only a stylish option, but also a functional option. They are Teflon coated, ultra durable with a new aerodynamic design. Super stoked to show you guys these and to show you how easy it is to put them on your 4Runner. Okay, so just like any windshield wiper project, we're gonna need to start by removing the existing windshield wiper blades. Now these blades are already our 4Runner Lifestyle ones and are still in great condition, but for the sake of today's video, I'm gonna show you just how to install. So in order to remove them, you're gonna flip this tab up, lift the arm all the way up, lift the blade just slightly, and the windshield wiper blade should just slide straight off of the arm. Just like that, you're gonna repeat this same process right over there on the other side. So just like with the other side, it's just as easy as, again, flipping this tab up, tilting this back, blade comes straight out. Perfect. Now it is important to note that these are different sizes. One of these blades is bigger than the other. You're gonna be putting the bigger blade on your driver's side and the shorter blade on your passenger side. So to do that, just gonna take it out of its plastic here, just like this. You will remove this plastic cover that goes over the Teflon coated blade. Again, remove this tab up so that you can set your blade right into the metal arm. And then the easiest way to fasten it down is once it's pulled all the way up, just click it right back into place. And just like that, this blade is ready to go. Okay, so let's do the passenger side. Again, take it out of its plastic, remove this plastic protector, flip the tab up, take the metal arm, you slide it up, push this down until it clicks, and just like that, your 4Runner Lifestyle windshield wiper blades are installed. And just like that, with those few simple steps, you have all new windshield wiper blades. It's as easy as a couple of tabs, a couple of pulls, and you call it good. As always, guys, be sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what other install videos you guys would like to see.